Today, I'm not only showing you how I make soft chapati, I'm also going to show you how I make my chapati to look more round or to be more round. So I will show you how I spin my chapati to make it round. It is friendly for beginners. The first thing I do, I add 5 cups of all-purpose flour. It's going to serve 8 chapatis. I will add a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of sugar, teaspoon of turmeric, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then I am going to make a dough. Hot water is the secret of soft chapati. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You can see my dough is still bringing out smoke because I used hot water. After I've made a dough and it's not sticky anymore, I will add 2 more tablespoons of cooking oil and then I will cover it for 2 hours. I'm going to use my kitchen counter as a flat surface where I will spin my dough. So I took my dough, all of it, then add some flour in the kitchen counter. Then I just place my dough there, spin it. Then I'm going to cut it into small strips. I will be taking each as I make this ball-like shape, put them aside and cover them. Then I'm going to add more flour on my kitchen counter. Take my dough one by one, take a rolling spin, and this is what I always do. I always spin while I'm counting. So 1, 2, then I'm going to pick my dough from the upper side, turn it, and make sure the upper and the lower sides, they are facing the sides. Then 1, 2, then pick it again, turn it, make sure the upper and the lower side, they are facing the sides. Be gentle and soft with your rolling stick. Don't squeeze it down. And then I'm going to repeat this process until I have a soft chapati. If you feel the ends are a little bit thick, just go gentle with your rolling stick and just spread it out a little bit. Now that I have a round dough, I'm going to start cooking my chapati. I'll place it in a pan, let it cook on one side, then turn it, let it cook on the other side, and then I will add oil, let it cook just a little bit on each side again. Don't overcook it because it will be hard again. At this point, my chapatis are ready. I'm going to serve this with dengu. Ni tamu.